Detailed review of Jabra Elite 85T wireless headphones. The Jabra Elite 85T wireless headphones are the latest addition to Jabra's lineup of premium earbuds. These earbuds come with a host of features that make them stand out from the crowd, including active noise cancellation, excellent sound quality, and a comfortable fit. One of the standout features of the Jabra Elite 85T headphones is their active noise cancellation. This feature works exceptionally well, blocking out a significant amount of external noise, making them perfect for use in noisy environments such as public transportation or busy offices. The headphones also come with a transparency mode, which allows you to hear ambient sound while still wearing the earbuds. This feature is particularly useful when you need to be aware of your surroundings, such as when crossing a busy street. Sound quality is another area where the Jabra Elite 85T excels. These earbuds come with a 12mm driver, which delivers a well-balanced sound with excellent clarity and detail. Bass is punchy without being overpowering, while the mids and highs are clear and well-defined. The earbuds also support Bluetooth 5.1, which provides a stable connection to your smartphone or tablet. In terms of comfort, the Jabra Elite 85T earbuds are among the most comfortable on the market. They come with a selection of ear tips and wings, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your ears. The earbuds are also lightweight and sit flush with your ears, which means you can wear them for extended periods without experiencing discomfort. Additionally, the earbuds are IPX4 rated for water and sweat resistance, which makes them perfect for use during workouts or other physical activities. The Jabra Elite 85T earbuds also come with a range of convenient features. They support touch controls, allowing you to play/pause music, skip tracks, and adjust the volume with a few taps of your finger. The earbuds also support voice commands, allowing you to access your smartphone's voice assistant without taking out your device. Additionally, the earbuds support multipoint Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can pair them with two devices simultaneously. Battery life on the Jabra Elite 85T is excellent, with the earbuds providing up to 5.5 hours of playtime on a single charge with active noise cancellation enabled. The charging case provides an additional 19.5 hours of battery life, which means you can use the earbuds for an entire day without needing to recharge. The earbuds also support fast charging, with 15 minutes of charging providing up to an hour of playtime. One minor drawback of the Jabra Elite 85T earbuds is their price. These earbuds are priced at a premium, which may be a barrier for some users. Additionally, the earbuds do not support wireless charging, which may be a disappointment for users who are accustomed to this feature. In conclusion, the Jabra Elite 85T wireless headphones are an excellent choice for users looking for premium earbuds with active noise cancellation, excellent sound quality, and a comfortable fit. The earbuds come with a range of convenient features, including touch controls, voice commands, and multipoint Bluetooth connectivity. Battery life is excellent, with the earbuds providing up to 5.5 hours of playtime on a single charge with active noise cancellation enabled. Although they are priced at a premium, the Jabra Elite